Hi, this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. We checked on Charlotte and her puppies at the last video, and they're all doing great. And I just set up Hopi with her new bedding and her cage, and they're great. So they don't fight. Actually, the last litter, what happened, which was pretty funny, was I set them up in the same room, and Charlotte was feeding Hope's puppies, and Hope was feeding Charlotte puppies. So we know they get along, they're good friends, because some mothers I can't put in the same room together. So, but these two I can. I already know that. So, those puppies are doing good. Everybody got new bedding. Hopi, almost time, Hopi, for you. It's almost time for Hope. So this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs in the puppy house. Everybody's ready. So I'll be in here periodically to check on them, but I'll give you an update tonight. So let me turn on the music for them. Hey Google, play Streaming Delilah iHeartRadio.
Streaming Delilah from iHeartRadio.
Hey Google, Volume 3. That's good, just a little ambiance in the background. Okay, this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. You ready, Hopi? There you are, you're all set. Love you. Bye.